At the time of this recording, FlashPrint only comes with one slice profile for the Finder 3. To look at that, we need to have a model on the build plate. So I'll choose the 20 millimeter box, click Start Slicing, and you can see under Slice Profile, there is just one option. Now, of course, you could make all kinds of changes to any of the settings. But if we close that window and go down to the bottom left and click on the nozzle icon, and we change machines from the Finder 3 to the Finder 2, the older Finder, and we click Start Slicing. And under Slice Profile, you'll see that there are three options. Standard, and there's also a fine and a fast profile. So the fine profile will print more slowly, but the quality will be higher. So if I choose standard and go to general, you'll see that the layer height is 0.18. If I choose fine and go to general, you'll see that the layer height is 0.12. So a smaller layer height translates into finer detail on the finished print, but also it will take longer. And conversely, if I choose fast and look under general, you'll see that the layer height is 0.3. So much thicker layers that will give you less detail, but will print much more quickly. So if you are wishing to print a draft prototype, a quick prototype of a model, then you can use the fast option, the fast slice profile. But again, the Finder 3 currently does not have those options. But fortunately, I've received configuration profiles from the factory that will add the fine and the fast slice profiles. And to do that, you first need to download the two files that are on the class Brightspace page. Once you've downloaded those files, click Start Slicing, and then click Import, and find the files. The first one is fast.fcfg. Click Open. Okay. And then click Import again. Click fine.fcfg and Open, and OK. And you now have the fine and the fast option. Now, when you look under Material Type FlashForge PLA, you'll still only see the one standard option. So to see the new profiles, you need to click Custom Material, and then you can see your new options here. By the way, you can create your own custom profiles. I'll restore everything to default to start with. And let's say I want to have a warmer extruder temperature, but room temperature platform, so I don't have to wait for the platform to warm up. You've seen that that can take quite a bit of time. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to create a super fast profile. So under General, I'll say 0.3 millimeters, and I'll change the base print speed to 80 millimeters per second and the travel speed to 100 millimeters per second. I'll turn off the raft so I don't have to wait for that to print. So I'm maximizing the print speed here by eliminating all unnecessary things. Actually, I'll go into infill and I'll knock that down to 10%. That will help. And I could even decrease the solid top layers by 1. All of these things will help the print to print more quickly. Now, to save this slice profile, I click Save as New. I'll give it a name. Super fast. Okay. Now if I go to Printer, and under Custom Material Type, you can see I've got now 3 custom profiles that I can choose from. So if you have preferred settings for a particular type of material or type of model, you can create very easily your own custom slice profiles.